going out there today. This is the Mississippi Buffalo Slide Queen. Today is December 14, 2024. I am in Tunica, Mississippi, getting ready to go to Fitzgerald. Going to meet one of my subscribers, the blue hair. Yes, I am. She's waiting on me. Getting ready to present her gift. Yes, I am getting ready to present her gift. I will have another gift for December for my subscribers for a Christmas present. So y'all have to leave me a comment to qualify. You have to leave me a comment to qualify for December. This is for a Christmas present that I'm giving out for my subscribers. Don't y'all forget to share the video. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. It's raining, y'all. Getting ready to enter Fitzgerald in Tunica, Mississippi. It's been raining practically all day, y'all. Give a shout out to some of my subscribers. Give a shout out to Sabrina and Kashata. She work in the food department. Give a shout out to Sabrina. They work at Circle K. How you doing out there, Sabrina? Give a shout out to Miss Kim. I'm giving a shout out to Kawanda Alexander from Macomb, Mississippi. I'm giving a shout out to Tyler Montgomery, Brian Williams. They from Walmart. They're my subscribers. Giving a shout out to Ice. He from Water Valley. Giving a shout out to Marcus and Stacy. They both from Batesville. And I'm giving a shout out to Yolanda, Stephanie, Ken, Giovanna, and I'm gonna say Kat because I can't pronounce your name, and they all work at the hospital, so I'm giving them a shout out. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go into Fitzgerald. And present this present to Blue Hair. I call her Blue Hair. That's what we always call her, and that's what I'm gonna continue to call her. So y'all, I'll see y'all inside. This is the Mississippi Buffalo Sock Queen and the King. And bye-bye. Talk to y'all later.